Wow, I am super excited to be with you this morning. This is Mr. Bode from Bode Genius World. I really want to teach you this morning. I'm excited to teach you 3D mockup logo. 3D mockup logo, and we are using this particular app. It's known as PIXELLAB. You get your PIXELLAB from Play Store. If you are using iPhone, I'm sorry, you can't use this particular app because you can't find it there. But if you are using Android phone, you can easily access it from Play Store. Are we ready? Let's go there. There is a particular 3D mockup I want us to do this morning, and this is what you are seeing here. I just finished this one, and I want to give you a video explanation on how to get something like this done. Are you ready? Let's go there. The very first thing you need to do is to open your very first thing you need to do is to open your PIXELLAB, and when you open it, you get something like this. This is the official page of the app. Now we don't need this background. You want to use your own background, you click on this particular one, then you scroll down left, and you click on from gallery. Click from gallery. That will take you to your gallery. In your gallery, you ought to have gotten the background you want to use for the work. So where can I get my own background? I have my background here. Then I look for it, scroll down to look for it. My background, where are you? Okay, looking for my background. It's down the line. So I have to scroll down. So you have to make sure you get your background ready before you commence your work. I'm still looking for my background. Somebody tell me where my background is. Okay, I will soon get it now. My background, come out. I'm still searching for my background. I don't just want to use any background. I guess I've passed the background. Where it is. My background. I will soon find it. Okay, finally. I've gotten it. Then you OK it. Click this. Can you see the background? Then the first thing to do is to write your name, the name of the edit this one, whatever you want to write. I want to write Bode. I change it to capital letter here. Okay, okay. The next thing is to look for the size. I increase it to 153. Okay. Then I look for the font. The font I want to look for this particular project is, let me see the font I like. I like this. I use this. Okay. Now the next thing is now to go to texture. Click on texture. Click on this. Then look for the same background you will use. It's the same thing I want to use for my texture. The same background. It's the same thing I want to use now for my texture. You can use any background to be your texture, but I want to use that one so that the color will run together. Okay. I click on it. I OK it. Don't mind this one. Okay, no, it's too dark. I need to change it. I click on this. I use a relative background, a background that will match the color I have there before. So I choose another one. I want to use something like blue. Okay, I want to choose this. I okay it. Okay, this is good for me. I okay it. Then after then you click on stroke, enable it. Okay, you can leave it in 5 as the case, depend on how you want it to look like. Then where you work majorly is on your 3D. Click on your 3D, enable it. Can you see now that it's coming out? So I want to change my depth to something like 5 or 6. Can you see now that it has given you the kind of shape you want? Then this one I want to put it in 50 or something like that. Can you see now that it's coming up better? Then you can do the rotation. Can you see how it look like now? Can you see the beauty of it? Can you see? Okay, I want to leave it like this. Then you can apply emboss. Just make it more beautiful. Okay, so you just work on it depending on what you want to achieve. Work on each one of them until you get your desired result. Your creativity is highly important here. How you want the logo to look like. I want to believe I'm good with this one. I just need to adjust some things, and in adjusting I use my 3D rotation. I want to rotate it and make sure it's the way I want it to stand. Okay, my X, can you see? Depend on how you want it to look like, how you want it to stand. Are you with me? Now, this is just the foundation. Now, this is what I'm going to use for all my work. So if I want to use this one now, I just copy it. Yeah, then I write whatever I want to write. Now I want to write my full name now. Bode Genius Word. Okay, don't worry, I will adjust it. This size must not be like, I want to be on a single file. Can you see it? Bode Genius Word. If you like, you can change anything you want on it. Then the next second line I want to use, I copy this one too and I edit it. This one I want to write graphic design and digital marketing. That is what I do for the Genius Word. Can you see it? I want to make it smaller. I click size and I try to reduce it, and I want to be on a single file. It's too big. It's too big for me. It's too big. I want something smaller than this. Okay, I think I like this one. I hope you can see the work. Then after this, on Bode Genius Word we do two major things, and the two things is that I copy this to edit. We do training and service. Those are the two major things we do in Bode Genius Word. We train people and we also attend to our customer to help them do whatever they want to do. I want this one to be in capital letter. Okay, I bring it down. Then I adjust the size to give me what I want. Okay, I hope you can see it. Then the next one is I want to write my phone number. What will I do? I copy this one and I edit it to give me my phone number, which is 08062 970. Okay, I bring it down. Then this one I want to change it to something else. I just edit it. I want it to be my logo B, Junior W, that is Bode Junior's word. Okay, change the size to can you see now? I want it to have a new texture. I want to give it so as to make it unique. I click on texture and I look for another texture that will make it come out unique as my main logo. Okay, so that means you have to have gotten a lot of things you can use as texture before you want to. I want to use this particular one. I crop it so that what I want will be coming out. I okay it. Can you see? Now, is this not beautiful? Then you can adjust it here. Can you see the scale? You can adjust it until you get your desired result, until you get what you are looking for, until that beauty is coming out. Can you see? Then after you have done this, you can rearrange your word, rearrange it, let it be the way you want it to be, rotation, okay, depend on how you want it to look like. Okay, this is where your creativities will come out. I think this one is too small. I want it to be bigger than this. Okay, I would love it to be like this. For the genius word, bring this one down small. Bring this one down. So here you can do whatever you want to do and make sure your work is perfect. Thank you. I hope you can do something like this.